Okay, Chef Jeff here with a tutorial on the Rancilio Silvia and Rocky grinder. So here we go. So this is the grinder, and fairly simple. You have your bean hopper, which I don't really use, and then you have your doser, which has a lever on the side for getting the coffee out, and an on-off switch down here. So pretty simple operation. We'll get into that in a minute. Something that you'll need is a scale that reads in grams, and I don't know, that one was like 15 bucks on Amazon. And then you have your machine, Rancilio Silvia, very simple single boiler machine. Look at the various pieces to it. You got your on-off switch here, which when it's on will be glowing amber, so we'll go ahead and turn that on. You have your switch here, which is for brewing. This is hot water, which comes out of this wand over here, and then this is the steam switch, which changes the boiler to steam from water. The port filter is there, which has a removable filter basket. So, and actually get two of those, and then water for the that goes in the back here. There's a reservoir there. This comes out. Just pull it out. Just take these hoses out. Just make sure you get them stuffed back in. Cover for that, and that's pretty much it. On the side is the steam wand, which is for steaming the milk. This is the on-off switch for that. If you want just water coming out of it, flip this middle switch, turn the knob anti-clockwise, and hot water will come out. You can turn that off like that. So we'll use that for other purposes as well. Again, that's steam button, water, that's brewing, runs the water out. So to begin with, you have to turn your machine on, and got to give it a good 20 minutes to warm up. And so I flip it on in the morning before my shower, and then it's always ready when we go from there. So, all right, so hang on. Put you down here, and I'll walk you through how we make an espresso. We'll cook it. There we go. All right, so first thing we do is grind our beans. After we've got the machine is on, it's warming up. So we'll let that warm up. When this light is on, that means it's warming. When the light goes off, that means it's reached its temperature. So just flipped it on. It'll take a few minutes to do that, but while we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and grind our beans. What I do is take the filter basket, place it on the scale, turn the scale on, let it tear out so it's 0, and then pour in 18 grams of beans using the Lavazza Grand Crema, which I really like this. It's pretty good. Also, another good coffee I like is the Ely, just red top, which of course whole bean. So that's what that looks like. And so we just toss that in the bean hopper, turn the Rancilio on, Rocky on, and let it grind. It usually takes about, I don't know, takes a couple minutes for it to grind. It's not the fastest grinder, but it does a pretty decent job. And you can see I've got it set pretty much to. This is the adjust the volume here. You press this button down, and then you can rotate it. While it does that, wait, I gotta go back here, mess that up. Put that back on 2. So anyway, so you press that and you turn that. And you're going to want to be in this range for most all the espressos. Depending on the bean, you may need to adjust that. So now that's ground, and you can see it's in here. There's the grinds, and what we do now is we just put the portafilter back underneath here, flip it around, get all that coffee out, and we'll weigh it again just to make sure that we're in the ballpark of where we want to be weight wise. You can see there, see if I can get that to 17.8. So, you know, trying to do 18 grams, you know, plus or minus is good. It doesn't make a big difference. So then we'll take that off of there and we'll put it in the portafilter. And then we'll need to tamp that. So you can see it's in the portafilter, and we'll tamp that. And tamping, they say 30 pounds. I don't know. Who knows? I just tamp it until it's pretty stiff. But the big issue is you want it to be flat. So you don't want one side to be much higher than the other side. Just try to keep that as level as possible. And then the next thing, we'll put that in the machine. But before that, I always like to pull what I call a naked shot, which is just water. And I would pull one shot of that, and that generally will turn this boiler back on again. So now the machine is nicely warmed up, and I would use that portafilter for it before I put the beans in it. That way your portafilter is also going to be nice and warm. Put that in there, snug it down, needs to be nice and stiff, and there you go. So now we're ready to pull our shot. And place our cup underneath there. Top button is for brewing. Flip that on, and this got a little timer on it, so we'll time this shot. But basically we want it to take about 24 to 35 seconds, and you can see it come out. So your coffee should be that real nice caramel color. And yeah, this one looking like it's going to turn out pretty good.